bago pa man ang kanilang bakbakan sa boxing ring. Sa Agosto po yan, umuusok na ang mga birada sa isa't isa nina Floyd Mayweather Jr. at Conor McGregor. Makitime out po muna tayo kay Sports Saksi, Chino Trinidad.
Dumagungdong ang hiyawan sa Staples Center sa Los Angeles, California sa paghaharap ni Floyd Mayweather Jr. at Conor McGregor. Umuusok ang palitan ng mga birada.
Still got 100 million and then he never touched it. That's to the tax man. You right. I'm the IRS and I'm gonna tax your. I'm not gonna do.
Ang pinagmamalaking $100 milyon na tseke ng undefeated na boksingero ang kanyang kinita sa laban nila ni Manny Pacquiao noong 2015. Kung sa garbo ng bihis, pwede rin nating ibigay ang round 1 kay McGregor na suot ang tailor-made suit na tagtag pala ng mura. Si Pretty Boy Floyd nakakap na may nakasulat na 48. Si Pacman ang pang 48 niyang nakalaban.
I think this is great for boxing as well as MMA, you know, for both combat sports. So, like I said, this is a very intriguing, interesting matchup.
They think it's the end of all this. It's the end of boxing, or it's whatever. I'm gonna be just a new king of boxing, and that's it. They're just gonna have to deal with it.
Hindi naman daw nagpapa-apekto ang Amerikano si Mayweather sa pagiging mas bata ng katunggaling mula Ireland.
I'm an old man. I'm not even the same man I was 20 years ago. I'm not the same fighter I was 2 years ago. But I got enough to beat you. I'm gonna knock him out inside 4 rounds. Mark my words.
Dalawang beses kinailangan pumagitna si Dana White ng UFC para paghiwalayin sina Floyd at Conor. Ang kanilang bakbakan gaganapin sa Las Vegas sa Agosto 26. Chino Trinidad Agduto, 24 oras.